What's going on, guys? Follow me over here. I'm gonna show you guys how to go from this to this. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how to get your carpet clean. I got a couple of tools here. Maybe you might not have them, but you could get them with a steam cleaner and a vacuum. You could always rent it out. It's up to you, your choice. So what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go around the room, and I'm not gonna bore you with all the vacuum, but we're gonna vacuum up the room, and then we're gonna come back with the steam cleaner and then start doing sections. Shot back, and then we got the steam cleaner right here. This is the Big Green. So let's just get started. Alright, so now that I got everything set up to be vacuumed, what I'm going to do, I'm going to just pick up all the little pieces before I go through and vacuum up the whole floor. So it just makes my life a little bit easier and I'm not like backtracking when I'm trying to get these big, little pieces out. So here we go. Alright guys, so now we went through, we tried to pick off every little piece that we could. If we missed something, that's okay. We switched to the attachment to really cover out the floor now. So we're gonna go by, pass it through one time, and then after that we'll get to using the steam cleaner. Alright guys, now that all the vacuum is done, I just want to take you through the machine real quick so you guys learn a little bit about how the machine works. So if you come closer, right here is the tank that all the nastiness from the carpets, it goes into right here, this tank. So let's open that up. Now this bottom one is where you have all your solution and all your cleaning product that if you turn and click this button, that'll make all the cleaning products spread through the floor so then you can vacuum it up. And now this also has a hose attachment, but we really don't need that hose attachment because we're just doing carpet right now. We're not doing anything with stairs or anything like that. But yeah, that's about it. So let's just go through it. Alright guys, so I stopped the machine real quick because as you see these fuzzies right here, we don't want to get the fuzzies into the steam cleaner machine. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to vacuum it up as I go. As I move through it, there's probably going to be more fuzzies that come up. So I'll take care of those as they come up. Alright guys, so we just finished up with the whole steam cleaning of the carpet and stuff, so we're gonna let this dry overnight. It usually takes about like 6 hours, but we'll let this sit overnight and then we'll come back in the morning and see how it looks. I mean, it looks great right now. Alright guys, so that was pretty much carpet cleaning and a small gist. I wanted to make this video short for you, but don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Follow me out.